TFNN. Headline News Update.
Good afternoon, everybody. I'm Tommy O'Brien, coming to you live from TFNN headquarters in Clearwater, Florida, 1 p.m. Eastern Time, middle of the trading day. Let's check in on the markets as quite an acceleration to the upside over the last hour. You've got the Dow up 164 points, trading at 24,525. S&P is positive by 22 points, trading at 2693, and the Nasdaq positive by 50 points, trading at 7317. Let's jump over to that Nadex platform and check in on some of those futures markets with 3 hours left to go in the trading day. We will start things off with the S&P 500, so quite an acceleration. I had said the last hour, it's really been the last 2 hours with things accelerating since about 12 o'clock. So at 11 a.m., we're down there at 2672. We're now a solid 20 S&P points above that level, currently trading 2692. Currently, Nasdaq 100 trading 68.72. That's a solid almost 1% from where we were at 11 a.m. 11 a.m., you're sitting there at 68.09. We're currently positive 63 points from that level in the Nasdaq 100. Dow 30, 24,480, right under that 24,500 mark. Lows of the session, 11 a.m., 24,280. Solid exactly 200 points from the lows in the last 2 hours. Crude oil with some volatility to the upside, climbing above $71, trading at a high of $71.35 before pulling back a bit in the last 10 minutes. We got the EIA numbers at 10:30. There's your 10:30 bar with some volatility on those numbers. EIA showing a decline of 2.2 million barrels. Expectation was a surplus and a build of 1 million barrels. So a little bit of volatility, but pretty close to where we were prior to those news. Maybe most of that volatility getting sucked out yesterday with all the action in crude oil. Gold with some volatility as well in both directions. So last night in gold, Tuesday, 8 o'clock, we're up there at about 13.16. We trade overnight to about 4 a.m. down to 13.04. We proceed to trade right back up to almost 13.18 before pulling back a bit. Gold contract trading at 13.1211. And Bitcoin trading a bit higher this morning as we're above 9,300, 93.08 in Bitcoin, and we traded under 9,000. That's the overnight, call it exactly at midnight, under 9,000 to 89.76 before rebounding a bit higher, 93.09. Stay tuned. We got our man Steve Rhodes coming up right now. Then, of course, Dave White at 2 o'clock, and Tom O'Brien wraps up the trading day live from 3 till 5. We'll see where this market heads. Stay tuned, folks. Have a great afternoon. Thanks.